So this project was donated as one to kind of polish up and make it look its best. So there are a couple of things here that we are going to want to do. First of all, let's take a look at the captions. You do want to capitalize the first word in your captions, even though they may not be complete sentences. And let's make sure that they are around the edges. You don't want your text to be on top of whatever it is that you've got as your focus. So definitely want to make some changes there. So double clicking on that text will bring up a number of different captions that are here in your video. So it's pretty easy to edit. So saying they are cute and energetic, they're already on the screen. So let's just say cute and energetic, which is why they like this particular animal. Cute and orange. I don't quite get the orange there, but I guess I'll just say cute and orange. I think it would make more sense if the animal was orange. Cute and lazy. So we're kind of repetitive there. Let's double click here and say love that they are lazy. That they are lazy. Just to kind of change it up a little bit. So here we have it can be funny and good graphics and story. Now, you need to educate your viewer because not everybody's going to know what this show is from. I don't know what show this is, so I would say just funny and has good graphics and story. So just going through and editing and making sure that it's saying what you want. So this is One Piece. One Piece can be funny and has good fights. And then this one, yeah, I believe this is Naruto. So Naruto can be funny and it also has good fights. As we do that, you're going to see that some of the text is going off the screen, and so we're going to want to fix some of that up. Notice that here we have an empty one. If it shows up with a glow on the screen, we want to select that and try and delete it. If this is empty, I'd have to be able to select it on the screen, and I don't know where it is. If I reduce this to 25%, maybe Control A, maybe draw a box. There it is. So that can be one way to find something that you didn't notice before. So selecting it, pressing delete on my keyboard, and then going back to editing. So it is good with meat sauce. I think we can tell it's spaghetti. So I'm highlighting those letters, pressing G, and it replaces what's highlighted with good with meat sauce. Nuggets are deep fried chicken. Nuggets made of deep fried chicken, maybe. And here we got another empty. I'm going to draw a text. There it is. So these do show up with glows. If they're in the wrong place, they can really look pretty good, pretty bad. So let me press, oops. It has good, super good meat. Let's just put has super good meat. And Cheeseburger Boy is the best. Probably the name of a restaurant. Cheeseburger Boy. Or maybe it's Burger Boy. I'm not sure. And let's see. So then we got. So now we're going to look at their position next. And maybe making the font larger, smaller. Trying to avoid having just like one or two characters at the end.